Okay, let me break it down for you in a more chill and easy way. So, Looksmaxxing is basically about making yourself look as awesome as possible. It's like creating a cool character in a video game and leveling up their looks. But in real life, it's a bit different because some people start off with a good chunk of these looks points already, thanks to genetics. Others have to work a bit harder to get there. First of all, subscribe to our channel now. More helpful content is coming for you. Back to the video. Alright, first off, take care of your skin. Get yourself some simple skincare stuff like cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen. Keep your diet in check too. Eat healthy stuff like fruits, veggies, lean meats, and good carbs. And don't skimp on sleep. Get around 7 to 8 hours. Oh, and hit the gym a few times a week and do some cardio. It's good for your circulation and keeps you in shape. And don't forget to drink water, keep your teeth clean, and maybe add some vitamin D and collagen supplements. Once you've got these basics down, you're ready for level 2. Amping it up. Now, let's talk hair. Find a routine that suits your hair type, make it look good, and keep your scalp healthy. The same goes for your facial hair and eyebrows. Groom them so you look neat and natural. Level 2 is about making sure everything's on point. Now, level 3, aesthetics, max. This is where things get interesting. Get a nice tan by eating colorful veggies or taking supplements. Do some facial massages and keep your lips and eyes in check. Also, find a fashion style that's unique to you, something that makes you stand out. And hey, if you're dealing with a lot of stress, work on that too, because it can mess with your looks. And if you're still not satisfied, there's level 4, hard max. That's when you consider cosmetic procedures if you're really not feeling certain things about yourself. So that's the whole deal. Work on your basics, step up your grooming game, add some cool touches, and remember, feeling good is just as important as looking good. Good luck on your journey to maximum awesomeness. Thanks for tuning in.